and here at the AllWinner booth, you are powering this smart glass.
Sure.
This is for real.
Yeah, this is for real. This is based on our A33 chipset. So this is a solution designed by one of our partners in Taiwan, which you can see down there.
And so Coretronic.
Yeah, this is a company that has a lot of expertise in kind of projection and optics, and they wanted to design this solution for some of their customers in the industrial space. And this is a project that we've supported for the last few months or so.
So it's a really nice PCB, a very compact PCB in there with A33.
Right. Yeah.
And it just takes this tiny portion right here. But you also doesn't include a battery, so it's battery powered right now.
Yep, it's battery powered. I mean, you can charge it through USB. So this is something that's still in development, but it kind of shows the direction our company is taking it in IoT and trying to diversify into different solutions.
And this company is good at making this prism solution here. The resolution is 640 by 360.
Right.
2000. It's bright, quite bright.
Yeah. The thing about this is, I think if you've looked at some of the other, smart glass solutions that have come out in the market, probably one of the things that's always challenging is getting the right brightness in this display here, because it's projected back onto your eye. So if you talk about looking at something in your peripheral vision, you definitely need it to be bright enough to pay attention to, and to actually be able to know what's going on in the image.
So A33 is in $25, $30 tablets. It'd be awesome if this was mass market Google Glass. It'd be cool, no? What do you think? I mean, you had AllWinner. What does AllWinner think about this?
The smart glass market is tricky because no one's really leading the market yet. I think we look at it as kind of an extension of AR. So you have VR, where you have the complete immersive experience in terms of virtual reality, where this kind of represents more of the augmented reality space. So we're definitely looking at it. We're trying to support people who are getting into the market, supporting customers who are getting into that market, but no one's really leading it yet. So it's interesting to see what will happen.
Hopefully some distributor maybe watching this video would contact this company and say, hey, we want to do a supermarket mass distribution for $99.
Sure. Yeah.
If the display engine is not too expensive, hopefully, it all depends on that.
Sure.
The A33 is the same price if it's a tablet or if it's a smart glass?
Yeah, it's still, it's a low cost application processor for this application and also for tablet applications.
Cool, and running Android.
Yep.
It's running Android right here.
This is actually a customized version. Right now, if you actually put this on, it's difficult to see because I'm not sure if you can actually see it through the video here, but this is only running in camera mode. The actual menu, just for confidentiality reasons.
Not like this?
Right. We're not actually showing the main menu.
Okay.
It's kind of running in camera mode.
So right now it's just a camera, but I saw there was a focusing happening, and there's some button a little bit on the side, so you can trigger it, and it could be eventually perhaps voice commands and all that stuff.
Sure.
That's awesome. I'm hoping that before the end of the year we have millions of these shipping.
Yeah, it'd be great. It'd be awesome. In addition to that, like what else is going on here in IoT? Like we haven't put the actual modules out here. There's a lot of interesting stuff that's coming out. Like if you look at this, the R16. The R16 is actually a small IoT module. So it's a small IoT module.
Yeah.
This is actually based on.
Is that the information?
Yeah, this is specifications.
So it's a quad core.
Yeah, it's actually a customized solution, quad core solution, specifically for IoT development. So this is if you look here, this is the ecosystem of devices that are at play here. So there's one of those modules in here, which is kind of a smart hub, smart box.
Is this a real product or is not yet?
It's a real product from Hisense.
So it's a Hisense kind of like a base station for the IoT?
Like smart hub, like basically like a home gateway for this. And then you have this is like an air purifier that they combine in this set. So what happens is you actually use the smartphone in a smart home environment. Is you have the app on the smartphone, and then you use the app to kind of control, turn off and on different equipment, and it actually communicates to the smart hub, which then relays those signals to the air purifier and other equipment in the house. So this kind of represents another direction we're taking in.
What's this design?
It's a similar smart box, smart hub solution, just from a different customer.
So it will be powered and staying in your home and always powered in your home and controlling your smart home.
Right.
So you're going to the IoT, you're going to wearables.
Yeah.
AllWinner is getting everywhere.
Yeah. There's a lot of different areas to get into. I think it's just what's very important for us is to get the product right, to get a product that works well, a product that has a good user experience, low power. So, these are some of the different areas that we're going into.